In this video, I'm making mullah Bamia Thabiek. This is a recipe request. Though I have made this recipe before using frozen okra, someone requested me to show how to make it with fresh okra. Greetings to you all and welcome back to my kitchen. The ingredients for this recipe are meat, oil, onions, tomato, okra, cumin powder, coriander powder, vegeta, tomato paste, garlic, black pepper, and salt. Check out the measurements in the description box below. I heat some oil and saute the onions. Just before they turn brown, I add the tomatoes. I saute them together for a minute and add the meat. I stir this for a minute, add the garlic and continue stirring for 2 more minutes. At this point, I add a cinnamon stick, vegeta, coriander powder, and black pepper. I mix to combine and cook this for 30 minutes. I almost forgot to add the tomato paste, so I added it now. I always add this at the start to get rid of its tangy taste. While this is going, here is my okra which I need to prepare for the next step. I remove the tips using this spiral method as shown here. I repeat this until all the okra is done and set it aside ready to add into the meat. Once the 30 minutes are up, I wash the okra. I now add cumin powder and the washed okra into the stew. I stir to combine and adjust salt to taste, bringing this to a boil on high heat. Then I turn the heat down to the lowest heat setting and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes or until the okra is well cooked. I check this after 10 minutes and the okra is well cooked. To check if the okra is cooked, take an okra and press on it. If it falls apart without much effort, the okra is cooked. If the okra is not cooked, give it a bit more time as required. Be gentle when stirring the stew to avoid mashing the okra. I served this with rice and it was delicious. You can also serve it with kisra, bread rolls, or the Ethiopian injera. I hope you loved this recipe enough to try it out. If you do, please let us know how you go in the comments section. If you're new here or you've been watching without subscribing, please support my channel by subscribing, liking this video and leaving your comment down below. This will help my channel get recommended to a wider audience. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.